Hi guys, it's Justine C, and as you can see in the title, this is gonna be a week-long vlog about my attempt into transitioning into a healthier diet. Usually kasi yung kinakain ko, like it's good, it's very salty, so it's not so healthy. Lalo na kasi may mga magic sarap. And I know, lagi ako nagsi-skincare dito, beauty talk, fashion talk, ganyan, but I'm not really taking care of what I actually eat. So because of that, I did my research and I wanted to incorporate more greens in my diet. And meaning nun, more salad. On top of that, I want to incorporate like healthy fat or mga oats. Basta, basically, healthier diet routine in general. Typically, when people say diet, ang naiisip talaga lose weight. But diet is not always like that naman. A healthy diet means a balanced nutrition. Ang challenge ko sa sarili ko later, because I'm gonna do my grocery, is hopefully mga 5,000 kaya na siya. If you guys are interested, just keep on watching! Hi guys! So ito na, we are on the way to Makati Supermarket and this is my OOTD. Malapit lang kasi to, sa may Alabang Town Center lang to, but I decided to bring the car kasi alam ko madami akong mabibili today. Okay, so basically, ang nasa checklist natin is toiletries, that's not part of the budget. Pero ito talaga yung healthy food na binili ko for hopefully a month, pero I doubt. The good news is that na-reach naman natin yung 5,000 budget kasi 4,382 pa lang naman yung nagastos natin for the food. Hindi na kasama yung toiletries doon. Diba, ang bilis, nandito na ako sa bahay agad. Pero 2 hours yung grocery na yon. Look at me, I'm so sipag. Go me! Hi guys! Good morning! So ito na, this is officially day 1 of my better diet journey. So for today's breakfast, I'm going to start off with that. So here, I'm just showing you all the things that I'm gonna be needing for this salad. And marirealize ko that I don't actually need the spinach for this salad. Ito lang yung need ko, yung lettuce. And then I added oranges and walnuts para medyo social. And then I added grapes, and hindi lang whole grapes yun like sinlice ko pa siya one by one. For this particular salad, hindi ko na inubos yung oranges, pero the following days na nagsalo ulit ako, 1 cup is 1 serving. So here, this is my salad, and I don't even know if I did it correctly, pero I like the dressing and I know it's gonna taste good din naman. And then I have this tumbler na kailangan kong ubusin in a day, kasi ito na talaga parang naano ko na siya, na-calculate ko na yung laman nito. Dapat may grapes, and then the orange. So I'm done cleaning the place and I'm also done with cooking my late lunch. And medyo nahihiya ako ipakita. Pero ayan. Actually, dapat kasi thigh part yan ng chicken, but I had breast and minins ko siya. So, para siyang chicken with mushroom and gravy sauce. Then yung ulit. Okay naman, diba? Pero yung important dito, masarap siya. And I'm gonna eat it now while watching my series. Hi! So it's day 2 and ayan na, naka-ready na yung mga kakainin ko for my breakfast today. So gagawin ko is Quaker Oats, milk, and dark chocolate. Halata naman nakakagising ko lang, no? And if it looks very oily, that's not like my oil, it's the serum that I used last night. Defensive lang. Honestly, last time I ate Quaker Oats like 10 years ago na ata. Super tagal na. So since wala kasi akong parang pang-heat ng milk, I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Oh my god. So basically, I'm just gonna warm up my milk, tapos lalagay ko yung oats ko. Just this one here. Ang galing ko, this is 3/4 cups na nasakto ko siya. My oatmeal is already thick. Now I'm gonna add the chocolate. Actually, dapat nga mga berries, ganyan. Pero, I don't have berries. Good. Good decision na naglagay ako ng milk instead of water because if it's water, sobrang tabang na nito. Yung pakita mukha ako ngayon kasi it's so ugly. It's so red kasi kakatapos ko lang mag-skincare. So, medyo sobrang ano pa siya. Like, intense na red. But anyway, so update lang, I didn't film any lunch or dinner na healthy food or meal kasi hindi ako nag-healthy meal. I went home kasi nagpa-mani-pedi. Mani? I went home kasi nagpa-mani-pedi ako. Ang kinain ko dun sa bahay is Kenny Rogers. O diba, day 2 pa lang, I can't keep up na. Pero I did eat the oatmeal this morning and then I also ate salad before I took a shower. Medyo naging healthy na rin for today. Okay, confession, today is actually day 6. So hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog. So day 1 and 2 lang ako super nag-vlog. I'm gonna talk about day 3, day 4, and day 5 right now. So for day 3, I ate oatmeal for breakfast and then kumain ako sa Cafe Breton, which is this is the high protein meal. It was good. And then for dinner, since nasa labas pa rin kami, we ate samgyeopsal and it was so sad. Like yung beef super thin na para siyang thinner than paper. I'm not trying to like bring them down, but it's just first time kasi namin kumain doon and it was so sad. So, diba, parang hindi na nga nasusunod yung healthy journey ko. So, alam ko na yung maging conclusion ko dito. Anyway, for day 4, I made a salad and then I also made broccoli and cauliflower for lunch. Dapat gagawa ako ng something else for dinner. Ang sobrang dami nang nagawa ko. So, I ate that for dinner as well. I realized wala akong meat nung day na yon. That was like my cleaning day. Cleansing detox. Kasi puro gulay. And then for day 5, I made oatmeal and I also made etong super sarap na pasta. Like, I made this tomato creamy pasta, tas may konting chili para medyo spicy. And then I also had this toast. So, that's the whole wheat bread. Tapos, may cream cheese. Nag-lunch kasi ako like mga 1:30. So, super full ako. I wasn't active naman during the day. So, for dinner, I made a salad again na may konting corn and then a slice of toast with peanut butter. And now it brings us to today, which is day 6. So, I ate oatmeal kanina, and then I'm gonna make pork something. I don't know yet kung anong klaseng pork, but I'm gonna make pork, whatever. Okay, so hindi na ako kumain ng pork something for my lunch, but I actually just made something healthier, which is a chicken breast stuffed with cream cheese, spinach, tapos, super sarap. Like, first time ko siya ginawa, and perfection. Meron siyang chili flakes, garlic, sun-dried tomatoes. So amazing. And then for dinner naman, kami ni Ken, pumunta kami sa Yusho Ken here in Molito, and we ate ramen. So hindi siya masyadong healthy, but it was good, so pwede na yun. And then the next day, which is the last day, day 7, I ate a spinach salad for breakfast. And then, for lunch, gumawa ako ng bulalo. So, first time ko gumawa ng bulalo, tapos patis lang pala. Patis lang pala yung, like, special ingredient doon. And then, for merienda, I ate Tostitos. And for dinner, kumain ako ng salad stop. So, I got the Caesar salad wrap. O, diba? At least, I mean, I still ended the week right with a salad wrap, I guess. Obviously, hindi ko nagawa yung healthy living for a week. I guess hindi ko talaga yun kaya. Baka dapat talaga super strict diet doon. And I need to have like ingredients on hand talaga para hindi ako ma-tempt kumain ng mga like, you know, unhealthy food. But I guess the good thing about what I did this week naman is I became more responsible with what I eat and mas kumain ako. Kasi, di ba, like, pumayat talaga ako ng sobra and I kept eating now. So, this is good for me. Pero siguro ito change ko na lang yung title into something else. Hindi ko pa siya naiisip ngayon. But it's not gonna be healthy living for a week. Hindi talaga. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe because I make videos every week. Thanks for watching!